If I tell you a keyboard with these features, low profile, super compact, with a stunning design, what do you think? A Nuphy? Or maybe a Nuphy, right? This is the new Epomaker Luma84. The Epomaker Luma84 is a low-profile auto-swappable mechanical keyboard with a QWERTY 84% layout. I opted for this monochromatic color, a combination of a dark gray for the body and black for the keycaps, except for these two blue keys. But to have an even cleaner configuration, we can easily swap them with a rare black version included in the box. The design is extremely clean. The case has a square shape with a rounded corner. In the upper right corner, the front is enriched with a wonderful small horizontal LED signature, about 1.5 keycap long, which is fully customizable. It also features a south-facing LED RGB backlight. We can choose from many lighting effects, adjust the intensity, decide the color we like best, all directly from the keyboard, or through VIA for more advanced control. On the front side we find the small I/O panel that includes an USB Type-C port for connecting it to our PC or laptop, but above all to recharge the 3000 mAh battery. In addition to the wired mode, it also supports 2.4 GHz and a Bluetooth connection with a maximum pulling rate of 1000 Hz. Next to the USB socket there is the small power switch. Honestly, I would have preferred it to be a bit bigger, at least twice, and with a more square shape like the one on the HE68. On the front of the Luma84 there is no printed or engraved logo or text, giving it an even cleaner look. Turning it around on the back, slightly lower than center, we find a lot of printed text such as the Epomaker logo and the name of Luma84. On the four corners are positioned 4 round rubber feet that ensure an excellent grip on the desk. There are no adjustable feet for changing the typing angle. The only level of angle is that given by the shape of the case. At this point, when I looking at it as a whole, many design details resemble the Nuphy Air75 V2. Both are two low-profile keyboards. From the front, they have the same case shape, the same rounded corner, and a signature light. Two short ones on the hands for the Air75 V2 and a single longer one for the Luma84. But the difference becomes more noticeable on the back. The two are completely different. While the Luma84 lacks an adjustable angle system, the Air75 comes with a set of adjustable feet. The biggest difference then emerges in the materials used for the case. The Air75 features an aluminum top case and a transparent polycarbonate bottom. The Luma84, on the other hand, well, is the real mammoth. The chassis is entirely made of a non-designed aluminum, which gives it an amazing build quality. It doesn't flex, it doesn't crack. In short, nothing to say. The weight is not affected and remains contained, reaching only 612 grams. The keycaps are made of a PBT with a double shot and a dive sub technique. They have a DSA profile. They are solid, well built, with a simple font, perfect for this keyboard. To the touch, they have an excellent texture. They have a good grip and return splendid sensations with every press. Under the keycaps we find the Gateron low-profile red switches. These are characterized by having a spring length of 13.5 mm, a trigger force of 50 ± 50 gram force, a total travel of 3.2 ± 0.2 mm, and a pre-travel of 1.7 ± 0.4 mm. Well, all that's left to do is listen to it. I must say I'm really pleasant of a sound and a smooth, satisfying typing experience that the Luma84 transmits. The keyboard has a distinctive, talky sound. This characteristic sound is achieved thanks to the small internal tweaks that improve its acoustic performance. We have a stabilizer like this one, pre-lubricated from the factory for smoother key presses. But an even more important factor is how the gasket mount system is designed. Disassembling the Luma84 is truly a breeze. The case structure is split into two parts, a top shell and the base. The switches are mounted on a 1.mm plastic plate. Below that, we find a sandwich-like made up of a switch pad layer, sound enhancement pad and a switch socket foam. Nestled in the middle of all, there is the PCB. Finally, attached to the bottom of the base, we find a generous layer of a sound-absorbing foam. Like the Nuphy Air75 V2, it doesn't come with a proprietary software. Instead, it relies on VIA for a full customization. With VIA, we can tweak just about everything. A scene media, macros, different layers, create special commands, and even adjust the lighting effect. But now let's talk about the price. The Luma84 costs $105, slightly less than the Nuphy Air75 V2 is exactly $50 less. It's clear that Epomaker didn't place it in this price range by mistake. Although it is very similar to the Nuphy Air75 V2, the Luma84 is not just a simple clone. Aesthetically, its minimalist design, especially this color, gives it a clean and really attractive look. At the same time, the build quality is truly exceptional. Its full aluminum case gives it an edge over competitors, appealing to users who are looking for a more premium feel, something that's not always expected at this price point. Luma84 has a rich sound and delivers a truly excellent and satisfying typing experience. Lastly, the VIA support is another big plus. The Luma84 is undoubtedly an high-quality keyboard, perhaps one of the best alternatives to the Nuphy Air75 V2 available today. And you? Do you have already a low-profile keyboard? And above all, what do you think of the new Luma84? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.